How to fix high memory usage on Roblox. So if your Roblox is using too much memory and causing lag or crashes, this guide is going to show you how you can fix it. So first of all, you need to open Roblox. Over here, simply press the escape key. Then you need to come inside the settings of your device. Now inside the settings, you just have to simply look for the option of set graphic modes, and you need to set it to manual. Reduce the slider to the lowest or medium level, and the auto mode often pushes the higher settings that consume more RAM. Now you can also press the Control plus Shift plus Escape key together in order to open the task manager. You can also just right click on the taskbar and then you can open the task manager option. Now over here you need to end the heavy applications like browsers, screen recorders or launchers. In order to end them, you just have to right click on the task that you want to end. Over here you will see the end task option, so you need to simply click it and confirm it. Now Roblox shares the system memory, so the background usage directly impacts its performance. Now you can also press the Windows plus R on your keyboard. When you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you will have to simply type this command over here. It is percentage local app data percentage slash Roblox. Now when you hit OK, a folder will be opened in front of you. So it is going to be the temporary and the log files. So you need to select those and delete them. The old cache buildups over time and increases the memory usage. So make sure that you do this step. So these are the steps that are going to reduce the memory usage and improve your Roblox experience. So you can try these and let me know if that works. Thank you.